Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel RS Computer Solutions. Today, I'm going to show you 6 important Windows features that should be on by default, but surprisingly aren't. These features can boost performance, improve usability, and even protect your system. Let's jump in. Step 1. Enable System Restore. System Restore can save your PC from disaster by rolling back to a working state after problems like bad updates or software installs. Search for Create a Restore Point. Select Drive C and click Configure. Select Turn on System Protection. Click Apply and OK. Now, if something goes wrong, you can go back in time. Windows should have this on by default. Step 2. Turn on Clipboard History. Clipboard History stores multiple copied items and makes copy-paste so much better. Open Settings, click System, click Clipboard. Toggle on Clipboard History. Now press Windows plus V to access recent clipboard items. Step 3. Show file extensions. Seeing file extensions helps you avoid malware and makes file management easier. Open File Explorer. Click View, click Show, select file name extensions. You'll now see .exe, .jpg, .pdf, etc., a must-have for power users. Step 4. Enable Night Light. Night Light reduces blue light and helps protect your eyes at night. Go to Settings, click System, open Display. Turn on Night Light. Set a schedule, sunset to sunrise. Your eyes will thank you. Step 5. Turn on Storage Sense. Running out of disk space. Storage Sense helps clean up junk automatically. Open Settings, click System, and click Storage. Turn on Storage Sense. Configure it to delete temp files and empty the recycle bin regularly. Step 6. Use virtual desktops. Want to separate work from gaming or personal stuff? Press Windows plus tab to open Task View. Click New Desktop at the top. Switch with Control plus Windows plus left or right arrow. It's a powerful feature that's often overlooked. And there you go, 6 features that should be on by default in Windows 11 and 10. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite or if I missed any. If this video helped you out, drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tips. See you next time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.